So how do we solve for x? So first of all, let's bring this part down here. We can only do that by taking log on both sides. So I prefer using the natural log. So I will take ln on both sides. And this one is a power rule, which says when we have ln of a to the power x, and this one will come behind here, that will be x ln of a. So this side will be x ln of 7 equals to ln of x. Now, before we can complete this, we have to introduce Lambert W function. So Lambert W function, when we have e raised to t, then times t like this, and you take W function, the answer will be t. So we introduce e and we make sure what is here and what is behind it are the same. And if you have e exponent ln of something, the result will be that term. So we need to introduce e here, which will pave way for the W function. So what I will do here is very simple. Before I'll even think of introducing this, I would like to send the x to the right hand side. So I will divide both sides by x, and this one will go. So I have ln of 7, and this one is ln of x over x. I want to write this one in linear form before I introduce this. It's the same as ln of x times x to the power minus 1. So just as 1 over a, when we have 1 over a, 1 over a is the same as a to the power minus 1. Okay? We can support this per this property ln of x, okay, times so e raised to ln of x to the power minus 1. Remember, when I go back, the result will be this, okay? This ln of 7. Ln of 7 is the same as this one can be written as ln of 7 times e, okay, raised to, so we have minus ln of 7. So this one is a power which will come behind it. So I have this. Now remember the property says what is here and what is there must be equal. This is our e. We have minus ln of x, and this side is positive. What do? We have to multiply both sides by negative. Okay. Once I do that, so from here, I'll have minus ln of 7 equals to minus ln of x times c raised to ln of x. This and that are equal. So I can proceed and take W function minus that because W function. So I have this, okay? So from here, W function of this, and what's that? Is one of them. I have minus ln of x, and this side will be W function of that, okay? Remember, we are after x. Can say that this one can come up there, same as ln of x to the power minus 1, which is the same as x 1 over x here. And we can also manipulate this one, the same as W function of ln of 7 to the power minus 1. So this one is log. So now the next thing is to remove the ln here so that the x will be free. What I will do here is to change this. This one is the same as 1 over x. Then have the brute function of ln of 1 over 7. No more negative. Now when we have e raised to ln of x, the answer is x. When I raise both sides with e, this one will vanish. Okay, the property here. Okay, I'll raise this and raise that. This side will be 1 over x, and this side will still be that. E raised to the brute function of ln of that. As simple as that. From here, I can interchange this, whereby x will be 1 over, so my x will be 1 over e raised to the brute function of ln of 1 over 7. That's the answer. Subscribe for more.